Stop wasting hours on LinkedIn, Fiverr, or Upwork. That's old school. Instead, here's how just one AI prompt can find your ideal clients for you. It's 2026, and if you're not using AI, you're already behind. Meet Lessie AI, the smart AI agent that finds the exact clients or freelancers you need with just one prompt. Whether you're a freelancer looking for high-paying clients or an entrepreneur searching for the perfect expert, Lessie AI makes it crazy easy. No filters, no endless scrolling, just type what you want in plain English like, "Find me a startup founder who needs a video editor," and boom, you get a list of ready-to-contact leads. To try Lessie AI, just head to the description, click the link, jump into the dashboard, and sign up. It's that simple. Here's the Lessie AI interface, and if you've used ChatGPT before, it'll feel familiar. On the left, you've got the main menu, New Chat to start fresh, Process to track all your ongoing tasks, and Inbox, where replies to emails you send directly from the platform appear. There's also Recent for your chat history, plus a few other handy options. Let's jump into New Chat. Right below the prompt, you'll see ready-made use case templates, everything from finding fitness creators to investors in specific niches. Scroll a bit further, and you'll find popular prompts that others have already used successfully. You can tweak them for your own needs, and it even shows how many people have used each one, a quick way to know what's working. For this demo, I'm going to throw in a unique prompt to see just how sharp Lessie AI really is at finding the exact leads we need. As a freelance video editor, I want to find the right clients fast, so here's the exact prompt I used. You can copy this. Find marketing managers at 7 fast-growing AI startups that recently raised funding and might need video editors. With this tool, I don't need to rely on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn anymore. I can directly find companies and reach out to their marketing managers in just a few clicks. The AI is now analyzing my prompt and figuring out the best way to find these leads. Once the search is complete, Lessie AI filters the results to make sure we only get the most relevant contacts. Out of all the leads it checked, it found 16 individuals that perfectly match our needs. Just like that, a list of potential clients starts populating in front of us, ready to connect. It's like having a supercharged assistant doing all the work for you. Here's the complete list, showing the company name, job title, and an option to reveal their email. You can copy and paste it, or even better, email them directly from Lessie AI. I select the contacts and open a new email campaign. And check this out. The AI has automatically written the email for me, including a subject line, all based on my original prompt. It even highlights all the services relevant to my video editing business, saving me tons of time. You can send emails directly from here, but I'll close this tab for now. Back on the results page, there's also an export option. Clicking it gives you all the detailed information in an Excel sheet. Open it up and you'll see LinkedIn profiles, company names, job titles, email addresses, countries, everything the AI gathered in one place. The best part? This entire workflow, from finding leads to crafting outreach emails, was done from a single prompt. That's insanely powerful. The first test was impressive for finding high-level corporate clients, but what if you want to find people based on a trending topic? Let's check that out next. For our second test, we're diving into a huge trending AI topic, Sora 2. We want to find influential experts and commentators talking about it online. So here's the exact prompt. You can copy this. Find people on Twitter who have posted about Sora 2 and have more than 2,000 followers. Just like before, Lessie AI analyzes the request and sets up a plan to make sure the search is precise. In seconds, the AI runs through public Twitter data, cross-referencing everything against our criteria. And just like that, the search is complete, and we've got a full list of people talking about Sora 2 ready to connect with. Now, let's do the most important step, verification. I'll click on this result, and it takes us straight to his X profile. Right away, we can see he has followers more than 2,000, and his feed is full of posts about Sora videos. This is exactly the kind of high-quality, relevant lead we're looking for. Across 2 very different and highly specific tests, Lessie AI consistently found exactly who we were looking for. That shows just how powerful this tool really is. If you want to try it yourself, just click the link in the description, jump into the Lessie AI dashboard, and sign up. In just a few clicks, you can start finding the right clients or influencers for your business, exactly like we just did. So, what are my final thoughts on Lessie AI? Simply put, it's a game changer. A true AI agent that turns plain English prompts into a complete action plan, giving you control, flexibility, and accurate results you can actually trust. High-quality leads, direct links, and all in seconds. This is the kind of tool that gives you a real edge. If you want to try it yourself, check the description, jump into the Lessie AI dashboard, and start exploring today. Pick your niche, copy one of the prompts, and reach out to 3-5 leads using the built-in email. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. And if there's any other topic you want me to cover, drop a comment below. I read all of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.